G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, 1970 MGB. Going to be continuing on with a very quick basic wash and then a paint cleanse using BOWDEN'S Clay Bar. Okay guys, so we've brought the car back in, it's all dried off, and now we're going to start the fine clay bar. I've got some BOWDEN'S Boss Gloss I'm going to use as my lubricant. So basically what I'll do is I'll spray down the panel first. I've taken a bit of this clay bar out. I'm just sort of trying to work it at the moment. I've sort of broken it in half, and I'm going to sort of knead it in a little bit first, just sort of get it going. It's rather sticky to start with. I'll start working the panel. I feel it's starting to get a little bit gritty. I'll just sort of fold it over itself and take a fresh side. Now if this drops on the floor at any time, no way will it go back on the car. Alright, now the surface of the paint here, I don't know if you can hear, it's not too bad. You can just sort of feel spots every now and then, so it's not too bad. It hasn't actually been, it's not like there's an overspray or anything going on here, so it shouldn't be too much work to... Okay, spray along the panel. Oh, there we go. Okay, and again, nice long strokes in there. I don't know if you can hear that. Now you don't want to be working on dry paint. It has to be lubricated. That's where this Boss Gloss works really, really well. guys, so I've got my paint ready for my polish. Very simple process. I'll go around, do the rest of the panels before I get underway. Quick wash of the car and then get it back in and we'll start the polish. Now hopefully you've enjoyed this really nice, quick, easy, tidy video on how to clay your car. Give us a like, subscribe, even make a comment if you like. Also, I've got t-shirts, beanies, hats available in the store as well. Click on the link below. Thanks for watching.